RIVCSO press release. Rivers civil society organizations condemn and call for a boycott of the unlawful local government elections in Rivers State scheduled for August 30, 2025. Rivers civil society organizations strongly condemn the proposed local government elections scheduled for August the 30th, 2025, which is stated by the unconstitutional sole administrator in Rivers State. This illegitimate exercise threatens the democratic rights of the people of Rivers State and undermines the rule of law. As a coalition committed to upholding democratic principles, we firmly stand by the following. 1. The sole administrator is illegal and lacks any legitimate authority to govern or conduct elections in a democratic setting. Our laws are clear, the Constitution is clear, that the person who is saddled with the power to conduct elections at the local government level, it is an electoral commission set up by the elected governor of a state. And the last time we checked, the officials elected by the governor of Rivers State, Sars Mila Efura, were sacked unconstitutionally, and persons unknown to our laws, unknown to Rivers people, were asked to conduct elections for Rivers people. We therefore vehemently disagree with that and oppose to that. 2, the current composition of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, RIVCSO, is illegal and unconstitutional, as it was not established by a duly elected governor as required by Section 198 of the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria as amended. We cannot overemphasize this point. We are saying that the person that has the authority, the backing, the spirit of our Constitution to so do is the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sars Mila Efura. 3, the newly constituted RIVCSO violates the Electoral Act, which mandates a minimum of 90 days notice for elections. The announcement on July 28, 2025 for an election on August 30, 2025 falls short of this requirement, rendering the process invalid. We have made our points very, very clear on this, and it raises fundamental questions. When are these political parties going to conduct primaries? When are they going to do campaigns? The law said 90 days. If you now say, that the illegally constituted RIVCSO is now following the guidelines set up by the legally constituted RIVCSO, the question now arises, why then do you now remove the legally constituted RIVCSO? And as proposed or organized by the governor of Rivers State. Why then? Why then? If you now say that you are deriving your powers from the legal institution as required by law, how come? Because you cannot be in and out at the same time. If you say that they are wrong, if you say they are illegal, if you say that you don't agree with them, that's why you are sacking them. How come you are not deriving your powers from them? From the 90 days that your so-called illegal commission have declared. How do you get such powers? So we are saying that this illegal RIVCSO lacks the powers within our laws to conduct elections for Rivers people and, of course, Nigerians resident in Rivers State. 4, we vehemently oppose this unlawful election and call for a complete boycott of this charm exercise. We stand by our statement, and we are calling on Rivers people, well-meaning Rivers people, we are calling on political parties, all election stakeholders, and indeed security agencies, and every serious-minded Rivers man and woman resident in Rivers State, Nigerians resident in Rivers State, voting adults in Rivers State to boycott the illegal elections as proposed by the illegal RIVCSO. 5, we demand an immediate answer regarding the source of funding for this unlawful election. One of the fundamental issues we have with this illegal election is the source of funding. Who is funding it? Where is the funds coming from? All of these things are pertinent questions that ought to be answered before elections are even conducted. For God's sake, Rivers State is not a banana republic. And that Rivers people have not been coward. We will not accept any form of slavery, any form of subjugating Rivers people to ridicule. We are not a conquered people. In fact, our organization is having an event somewhere. But because of the seriousness of this issue, we have to leave the event to hold this briefing, just so we make our points very, very, very clear. We therefore warn that any attempt by anyone, be it the sole administrator as appointed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, or any other interest, to make sure that the resources of Rivers State is accounted for, that every penny expended during this period, we are asking that those who are involved in this must surely pay for it and must surely account to Rivers people. I would therefore say that all of these actions are pure waste, just an attempt to waste the resources of Rivers people, and all of this must be challenged. In the light of the above, we therefore urge all Rivers residents to maintain peaceful dispositions, go about their lawful duty, but make sure that they don't participate in this travesty of justice. We are stand by our statement. We are going to do everything legally possible, be it legal action, be it protest, and every form of legal action to challenge this illegality. This is our position. For us, we are saying that there is no constitutional basis for removing an elected governor of a state. Our laws are clear as to the way and manner any elected governor, be it in Rivers State or in any of the 36 states of the Federation, will be removed. And that is through via impeachment. And that is not followed. We still insist that what is happening in Rivers State is an illegality. If for the purpose of even conversation we want to even look at it and you said, okay, the whole crisis is because there is political turmoil. The political gladiators have even resolved their issues. So why then are we still in a state of emergency? Why? Why is the governor not back? But we don't even want to go into that petty lane of assuming that if two people quarrel or if there is disagreement whatsoever, that the president have the powers to so sack the governor. The argument of insecurity is lame as far as we are concerned. We have Borno, where there is a lot of ungoverned spaces, where communities are sacked. There is no state of emergency. The governor is not sacked. We have Yobe. We have Nasarawa, just recently in Jos, Benue. And these are near daily basis. Governors are not sacked. So the argument that it is because of insecurity, as far as we are concerned, is lame. We have maintained, and we are still insisting, that all that is happening is petty politics, is an attempt by the federal government, as led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to control Rivers State from Abuja. And we are saying that is an illegality, and it is petty, and it's a shame taken too far.